Air conditioning is really important. The other night, 2 nights ago, now I'm not in Houston, I'm in Brownsville right now. We lost power to an entire neighborhood. I don't know what happened, but I spent 5 hours with no air conditioning, and I'm spoiled. And I thought, yeah, I don't have a generator down here. I thought, yeah, air conditioning is pretty darn important in Texas. So wherever you are, you want to make sure your air conditioning system is working well. Of course, if you have a generator, that helps too. But what I'm getting at is we take it for granted. But sometimes the air conditioners break, whether it's no power, whether they break down, and all of a sudden you're stuck with hot, clammy, humid air. And that's no fun. And you think, oh, I'll just keep the house closed up and it'll feel good. No, it starts to get stuffy, starts to get damp. You see, when air starts to get warm, it starts to absorb water. It's just a mess. It's just like a big sponge. Anyway, keep your air conditioning system working. So as long as you have power, whether it's with a generator, whether it's with your power grid, and that's, it's usually the power grid, but the generator, if you have one, that's cool. But the air conditioning system, either way, it's going to be running. You want it to keep it running well. And the best thing you can do, I've already done mine this year. You've got to do yours if you haven't done it. Get a checkup from AirTech of Katy. Let them come out and just check all the components. I ended up with a new evaporator coil. It wasn't cheap, but I didn't have to buy a whole new unit. I probably, by doing my yearly maintenance, instead of spending $38,000, $32,000, I only had to spend about $4,000 to get that evaporator coil switched out, and it works fantastic. And it's an old unit. It's 22 years old. So do the same thing. Keep it running. Keep your costs down. You don't need a brand new unit. If you do, if it's just finally shot, you can certainly get one from AirTech of Katy. But most importantly, just get the tune-up. I knew mine needed that. It was just, that's why I called, because it was working, but it wasn't working right. And so it was uncomfortable. You don't want to be uncomfortable. If you get an air conditioning system that doesn't work well, as opposed to one that's working perfect, and the one's working perfect, you're really comfortable, and the one that's not working well, it's running, but it's keeping you somewhat comfortable. You use the same electricity. In some cases, you use more on the one that's not working right. So you're going to pay for it anyway. Pay for perfect. Call AirTech of Katy and get that tune-up done so you're ready for this summer.